Hi friends. Today we're having our VIZIT Intercom handset repaired. The front door opener button stopped working. In this video, we'll be fixing the button. I'm going to try repairing this button now. It's made of a membrane inside, which is usually coated with a white, non-conductive film. When the button is pressed, the membrane bends and touches the contact, but because of the white film, no contact occurs. Now our task is to open the button and clean the membrane and metal contacts. The button is attached by 4 pins that need to be cut off, and then the button can be disassembled. I'm not sure exactly what causes this film. It could be from age or from current leakage. Here's the membrane. I removed it from the button. As you can see, there's a white coating on the membrane, and I cleaned it on the right side with metal tweezers. This coating needs to be removed until it shines and only mechanically. This happens all the time on buttons like these. And unfortunately, I don't know exactly why it happens. Our button contacts are also covered in a black coating that will need to be cleaned mechanically as well. I've assembled the button, and now I need to secure the plate with 4 pins. I'm thinking of melting them with a soldering iron to secure them in place. Done. Now the button won't fall apart. Now you need to solder the button back in place. Done. Now we need to clean the board from flux and assemble the tube. The handset is assembled and ready to use. There's a switch on the side of the handset to turn it on and off. That's it for this video. Subscribe to the channel to stay up to date with new videos. See you in the next ones. Bye.